off down to the beach and have a look what's going on. So let's go. I'm not going to be riding quickly, so the visor is going to be up, so apologies in advance if the audio isn't what it should be. So let's go. After coming through a very cold and miserable Milan and then going through the French Alps, because my sat-nav decided to play up and sent me the long way around, so I ended up getting frozen and went through. It is a pleasure to be in Barcelona in the sun, and it's a cool 16.5 degrees centigrade. And I can't remember what that is in Fahrenheit, but I'll put it just there. But it means I'm in summer riding gear. Yes! Because I am not as cold. I get to see a lot of the Spaniards are walking around in coats, because for them 16.5 degrees is freezing. But for me, having been in Bavaria during the autumn winter, 16.5 degrees is a luxury. I love some of the old buildings. Barcelona's going through a redevelopment phase at the moment, so it's parts of it are modern, parts of it are old, and some of the old are being torn down and some of the old are being renovated. It's a shame that more of them are not being renovated, because the old Spanish buildings are amazing. I mean, look at those. Yes, they need work doing to them, but they are beautiful. And look at this, this is amazing. They have city scooters that you pull up, put your credit card details in, and you can ride around on one of their scooters. I mean, that is an amazing thing to do. But you see lots of Vespas and Hondas and Yamahas and Peugeots, as well as a lot of motorcycles as well. But the vast majority of Barcelona runs on scooters, and that is real good fun. So we're just coming up to the port area now, and am I allowed to go straight over? Because I can see what looks like motorcycles over there. So let's go and see what passes for a motorcycle in Barcelona, shall we? And if we get lost and have to turn around and come back, who cares? Now I will say that after spending close on 15.5 hours in the saddle on sand, I was extremely saddle sore. That is all I'm going to say about that. But it was, man, it was damn sore. They're all scooters, so I'm going to find a way, turn around, and then come back, because that didn't look interesting at all. But the sea is over to my right hand side, so all of this beachfront here is absolutely stunning. Being able to see the sea and watch it, it is a pleasure, I tell you. After being landlocked for such a long time, seeing the beach and the sea is awesome. I was going to do something naughty and do a left here, but I'm going to have to go and follow the traffic now, because I'm now surrounded by traffic. Oh well. Be gentle with me today. Okay, so there is a little road where I do a U-turn here. This is good. Some bikes, the Himalayan, Suzuki. Oh well. Oh, there is a no going through here sign. It obviously doesn't apply to me. Of course it doesn't. I'm on a motorcycle. I'm a high-functioning sociopath. Nothing applies to me. Huh? Moto Guzzi. More scooters. So I should be able to get out of this road in a second. And I'm going to have to go round, so there is a police car, so